XRP price ready to return to $1, short squeeze on XRP incoming. XRP price is severely oversold across multiple time frames, with regular and hidden bullish divergences appearing as well. Short sellers may become trapped inside the 60 cents to 68 cents value areas if XRP experiences a strong rebound, like the one currently forming on its point and figure chart. XRP price has a hypothetical long entry opportunity on its $0.01/3 box reversal point and figure chart. The trade setup is a buy stop order at 64 cents, a stop loss at 59 cents, and a profit target at $1. The trade represents a 7.2:1 reward/risk with an implied profit target of 58% from the entry. This trade setup for XRP price is a perfect example of splitting capital into several smaller trades, with profit taken at intervals between the entry and the potential profit target. Additionally, a 2 to 3 box trailing stop would help protect any profit generated post-entry. The hypothetical long entry is invalidated if XRP price falls to 56 cents. In that scenario, XRP will likely complete a full swing lower to the 61.8% Fibonacci retracement at 50 cents. Bulls and bears should be conscious of how volatile cryptocurrency markets will be today. It is the first Fed day of 2022. Commentary from the U.S. Federal Reserve Chairman Jerome Powell will likely generate significant whipsawing in cryptocurrencies.